The Great Homonym Practice. Speak, spell, and understand. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we'll dive into a fun and interactive session titled The Great Homonym Practice. Speak, spell, and understand. We'll focus specifically on commonly confused homonyms. Our aim here is to assess your understanding of these tricky words and provide some oral practice to help you differentiate them in real-time conversations. Ready to roll? Let's get started. Before we begin our practice, let's take a quick refresher. Remember, homonyms are words that sound the same and may or may not be spelled the same but have different meanings. Words like right and right, or bear and bear, can often be a source of confusion. They sound similar, but their meanings and uses in a sentence are quite different. The key to distinguishing homonyms is to understand their meanings and context of use. If you're unsure of a word, try replacing it with each homonym and see if it still makes sense. For example, it's correct to say, I will write a letter, but not, I will write a letter, unless you're correcting it, right? Pardon the pun. Now, let's move on to the fun part of our video, the oral practice session. I'll pronounce a sentence with a homonym, and you'll have to identify the homonym and its correct spelling. Then, I'll reveal the correct answer. Keep track of your responses to assess your understanding of homonyms. Here are some examples. 1. Their parents bought them a pet. 2. Is it there, or there? 3. I need to buy some flour for the cake. 4. Is it flour or flower? 5. I hope you're feeling better. 6. Is it your or your? That's all for today's session, folks. I hope this oral practice session on the Great Homonym Practice, speak, spell, and understand, has helped you understand commonly confused homonyms better. Remember, the key to mastering homonyms is consistent practice and usage in everyday conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself using them correctly without even thinking. Happy learning, and see you in our next session.